Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Abhishek Gupta. I am MD Medicine and I have been former assistant professor at Government Medical College, Haldwani, and right now I am director of Siddhivinayak Hospital at Nainital Road, Udapur. Ours is mainly a diabetic center, and we are working on prevention of complications of diabetes since very long. And me and my staff is regularly being trained regarding upcoming events and upcoming uh, conferences by means of trainings regarding diabetes, patient education, training, treatment. I would like to inform all the patients and their family members that diabetes is a major burden not only on the patient's family but also on the society and the country as a whole, because diabetes does not only affect the individual but also the society in some way. And diabetes is not merely rising of blood glucose levels, but rather proper treatment of diabetes is also essential, because lacking in proper treatment will lead to complications of diabetes, which leads to renal failure, myocardial infarction, that is heart attack, then stroke, paralysis, and thus loss of so many work years of people. So thus I would request to always take a proper treatment of diabetes from a physician or trained diabetologist to prevent complications in future. Thank you.